Tutorial for Google Classroom, how to post a question. So we'll go to our classroom, click on the plus sign and create question. We just practiced in tutorial 3 how to create an announcement. Now, if our stream goes all the way in the bottom, and then if that's the announcement that needs to be reminded for the students, we can always go there and edit and say move to top, so it'll be always in the top. No need to press edit. The move to top will be enabled. Right now it's on the top, so that's why it's not enabled. But if it's all the way in the bottom, then if you want to move it to the top, you just click on move to top, then students will see it, the first one as in the stream. Today we'll click on the plus sign and create question. The difference between question and the announcement that we just created is announcements, we won't grade them or give a grade to the students. But with question, we can choose to give a grade for the students. And it's also like a nice way in which we can make the students participate like a closed blog, like they just type their feedback about author's purpose or any question that you type, and we will have everybody's views for that question. So I'm going to type a question today. The instructions are optional. If you want to give, you can give, like, this question, if you answer this question you'll get like 10 points or something like that. Anything that you want to specifically say about the question, and you can pick the due date when this question has to be answered. Time is optional. Students can reply to each other. I'm going to turn this off if I'm going to grade this question, the answers for these questions. I don't want the students to reply to each other and see each other's comments. However, I can enable students can edit their answer. And if I want to post the same question to different classes, I will choose those classes and make a checkbox next to my classes. As usual, we can attach, share, or put a YouTube. I'm going to put a YouTube. I already copied the link. I'm going to paste that, add that video. No need to add videos for questions, but if you want, you can. And then you can either choose to ask or save it as a draft. Now, since I have 2 students in my class that I have added for demonstration purpose, demo student 1 and demo student 2, it'll say the total number of students in our class, how many are not done, and how many are done. Let's go ahead and take a look at how the students will see our post. So this is student 2. So if I click on my stream updated show, list some of the internet safety rules after watching the video, the student will watch the video and the student will answer. The student will submit. If they want, maybe they can add a class comment. Okay. Any comment the student would like to give for the class? For our purpose, I'm just going to say this comment is from student 2 and post it. And then I'm going to be a student 1 now and see how my stream is going to look. I'm going to type the answer, being student 1. And hit submit. So what the student can view is the comment from student 2, but they are not able to see what answer that student 2 gave. They can only see the comment, they won't be able to see the answers. So as soon as they hit submit, for them, they will see it as done. They have completed their assignment. Let's see what the teacher will see now. Everybody finished their assignments. So 2 are done. So I just click on them and I'm just going to click on student 1. So I'm reading the answer he gave and I'm like, okay, demo student 1, he did a good job. So I'm just going to, how many points I'm going to give, and then I'm going to return it to him. This is a private comment for him. It's optional. I don't need to. If I return, so now I have graded that assignment. I'm just going to click on the second one, do not meet anyone. I gave a grade, I check that student and I say return, and I return. Now, what will the student see? This is demo student. So I'm going to refresh the page. So this is student 1. It has been returned to him. So now the student will see the teacher has graded, because instead of done, it says the teacher has returned the answer. So how can we see the grade? He can go to view all, to do, no work to do so far, and what has he done. When he clicks on it, he will see the grade for that assignment. Now take like 5 minutes to go to the stream and practice posting a question.